And I was informed that he was brutally beaten up, and he was admitted to the hospital. And so when the sister was unknown, she was at her college, and when she was informed, she ran immediately to the hospital. So she thought that the dead body was alive, so she was just waiting over there. We got calls like these things happened, just come, and then she was waiting as if the dead body was alive, but the dead body was already dead at 3 or 4 hours back.
Okay, what are your demands here?
Okay, the demand is like we need justice. We want house arrest for all the whoever those people were, the shopkeepers and his man. There's been 2 people who's been detained. We've been in the police station since last night, like for like 10 hours. I think 5 to 6 hours, I guess. So people's been detained, but I want more people to be, all the people to be included. The detained person is like, he's the only person. He can't be the only person. We know that there's been like 5 to 6 people all involved, and there were no public who came to rescue us. The first case of racism started when he was mocked at the first time. Why? Because his hair was red. And why was he beaten up? He was there to take his friend to a hospital who was here in Lajpat Nagar. He was there to ask for addresses, and then they mocked him. And then he was in a tense of trauma because one of his friends was already admitted in the hospital. Like, he had to be taken to the ambulance immediately. Then he was beaten up just because he broke a glass out of tension that they were mocking him and laughing at him. And then instead of telling the address, they were just mocking and making funny remarks, and passing on stupid commands. So he was just angry, and he just broke a glass. And then what came after was that he was beaten up in front of every public. Public came, some people came, and then he was beaten up. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, do you think that this is the first time it has happened, or this has become, that many people from Northeast and students especially have to face this on a regular basis?
Yes, definitely. I was there with the body in the at the AIMS, and then when I was there out for searching for my car, and then there were 3 guys. Are you Anachalis? And they were like teasing me like chinkies or something. Every day this happens in the malls, in the markets, everywhere.
What do you think needs to be done here?
People needs to be aware actually, and I think we need cooperation from the mainland people. That's the most first and foremost, like awareness that we want from them, and we want their cooperation actually. That's what we're demanding here. We're demanding for the justice of these people, for my brother who's dead, and then yes, we just want cooperation from the mainland people.